If you woke up feeling heavy, stiff, or just off, you're not alone. The good news, in the next 5 minutes, you're going to feel lighter, stronger, and ready again. Let's hit the mat. We're starting by waking up the spine, the command center of your energy. On hands and knees, inhale to arch your back. Lift your head and tailbone. Exhale around your spine toward the sky, tucking chin to chest. Move slowly, feeling every vertebra wake up. You're going to feel a wave of gentle movement through your entire spine. I promise, restoring spinal motion first thing reboots your nervous system before stress even has a chance to settle in. Beginners, keep the range small. Advanced stretches, move deeper into the arch and curl. Did you know that spinal fluid improves every time you move your spine like this? 5 more seconds. Make the last one your biggest, most intentional wave. Feel your back starting to breathe again? If not, slow down and exaggerate the curve. That just unlocks your spine. Now let's stretch the full back chain. Now we wake up the entire back side of your body, your support system. From hands and knees, lift your hips high toward the sky. Press your heels gently toward the floor. Relax your head and neck completely. You'll feel a deep pull through your calves, hamstrings, shoulders, and spine. I promise you'll move more freely, feel lighter, and carry less tension in your shoulders and legs all day. Beginners, bend the knees slightly. Advanced stretches, paddle the feet one at a time to deepen the stretch. Did you know that this simple position can instantly boost circulation to your brain? Push a little deeper. 5 more seconds. Are your shoulders relaxing yet? If not, soften the elbows slightly and lengthen the spine. That just unlocked your full support system. Now let's anchor it. Let gravity help you here. Release tension down and out of your body. From standing, hinge at the hips and fold forward. Let your arms dangle, your neck soften, and your knees stay soft if needed. You're going to feel a deep stretch across your hamstrings, calves, and spine. I promise you, forward folds ground your energy, clear brain fog, and stretch the whole back of your body at once. Beginners, rest your hands on your thighs or shins. Advanced stretches, bring palms to the floor or wrap your arms around your calves. Here's a little fun fact. Forward folds can lower cortisol levels when done slowly. So take your time, relax even deeper. 5 more seconds. Feel that shift from tension to ease? If not, bend your knees even more and hang heavier. That just released the tension valve. Now let's open the hips gently. Healthy hips mean a free, powerful lower body, and we're waking them up now. Sit with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor, and hands behind you. Let your right knee fall towards your left foot, then come back to center and alternate. Go slow and controlled. You're going to feel a loosening deep inside the hips. Internal hip mobility prevents stiffness that leads to lower back pain and posture issues. Beginners, keep the movement smaller. Advanced stretches, lean forward slightly as you rotate for more stretch. Did you know that internal rotation is one of the most neglected movements? But it's vital for joint health. Slow it down. 5 more seconds. Staying mindful. Feel that opening yet? If not, sit up taller and move with more control. That just primed your hips. Let's finish by unlocking your chest and breathing even deeper. Let's reset your posture and energy from the inside out. From a tall kneeling position, clasp your hands behind your back. Pull your hands down and lift your chest. Imagine your heart shining forward. A deep stretch across the front of your shoulders and chest. Good posture isn't just looks. It's access to stronger breathing, better energy, and better focus. Beginners, just reach your arms back without clasping. Advanced stretches, gently lift your chin slightly for a deeper stretch. Stretching your chest improves lung capacity by giving your ribs room to move. Lift a little higher. 5 more seconds. Feel your chest expanding? If not, soften the knees and open through the shoulders even more. That just recharges your entire posture. Strong, open, grounded. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.